How to log in into Humana Medicare Advantage account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me move into Google Chrome. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Humana Medicare Advantage login. It will land you on this page. Tons of different sites will be visible to you, but head over to the very first site, Humana Member Sign In. It will land you on the official page of My Humana. You will also be able to see where you'll be able to log into a specific account. In here, first of all, enter the username associated with your account, and also enter the password that you have created before. In case if you have forgotten your password or the username, click on Forgot Username or Forgot Password. Follow the on-screen process and then recover it. Once you have recovered, enter it in here and then tap on Sign In at the bottom. Also, if you want them to remember your username, click on this checkbox, Remember Username, and then tap on Sign In. After that, you will be successfully logged into a specific account, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sign in into your Humana Medicare Advantage account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.